video. Today's a Friday. I don't know why I always start my videos on Friday for Week in My Life, but it is what it is. Actually, the thing is that for the past few days I've been on a break kind of situation. Not really a break, but just didn't have much to do. Everyone else was on leave because for Eid and Ugadi and stuff, so I couldn't get much work done anyway. What we're gonna do now is that few days back we went to IKEA and we got all the stuff to reorganize our fridge. It's done few days back, I think, and there's more left over here, but these are just the extras of all of these, so we were just figuring out what to do with this. And this part also, these containers are done and this needs to be figured out. And then we cleared out this part of the fridge. I'll clear them out now, but majority of the stuff was out, all the vegetables, so that we can put them in containers and then arrange them. The vegetables that we're gonna put them back again in containers. This is the deep freezer. These are the extra stuff of these itself. So we have a lot of stock here, so we kept it over here. And then here are the flowers for the god and ghee for the god and us, I think. But these are like the extra ones. And these are the vegetables. And this we've kept empty so that we can keep all the leftover food that we want to keep. And here we have the excess vegetables, more vegetables which did not fit in this. So, and these are the cloth ones. And here we have dry fruits, and these are the extra packets and eggs. All types of milk. I'll fill the almond milk. This is almost done, so it was pointless to put it over here, but I'll get the almond milk and fill it over here. And these are all the processed sauces and this is skincare. Like these three are the skincare stuff that we just mixed and kept. I'm having my breakfast. The heat is just burning our souls, but cooking in summer is very, very difficult, and it's hot, and oh my god. Okay, I'm now gonna rant about the weather. Yesterday was I did not vlog yesterday because I woke up around 12:15, 12:30. Suddenly, like, the internet stopped working, like the Wi-Fi stopped working. We have Geo fiber, so that stopped working, and we were like, okay, sometimes it happens, so we just left that. And then suddenly I see that my signal says no service, like there's no network, so it says no service. And I was like, huh? I thought maybe in my room, and then I went and checked my mom and dad's. Their phone was also like no service. We don't have internet, we don't have anything, so we can't contact anyone or do anything, because our TV also has internet only. We don't have cable. We have, if we want to watch TV also, laptop, iPad, everything, phones, we were like internet shut down and signal shut down, and we were like, oh my god, like what the hell. And we were like, what's happening? Because and we can't contact anyone. And luckily my dad has a spare phone in which my sister's old number is there. Okay, at least we can call the Jio customer care to at least know what's happening. And but we don't have the Geo Care number because we need internet for that. And in our contacts, we don't have that saved. Called one of my friend and I was like, put me on conference with the Geo Care from the phone, and I was on conference with the Vodafone, and they were so annoying. Like, oh my god. Customer care was so annoying. I was so frustrated and I was so anxious that, like we don't have to contact anyone, and I was just freaking out. And I was like, my Geo is not working, and they're like, oh, so is it the number that you're calling from? How will I call you if the registered number, which is, why would I say that if there's no network? How can I call you? Like, what was that question? They're like, oh, is the problem occurring in the register in this current phone that you're calling from? How can I call you if literally there's no network, there's no Wi-Fi, there's nothing, the phone can't call? How can I call you? Like, what kind of a question was that? I was like, no, this is another phone that I'm calling from. And I'm like, that everyone's phones are down. And they're like, okay, so we're gonna update you from the registered, we're gonna call you or update you from the registered to the registered mobile number. And I was like, so how would you contact me? Because we don't have network or Wi-Fi, so how would you contact? They're like, oh, we'll send you an email. I'm like, what? I was so frustrated. I was like, why? Just to anyway, that happened yesterday, and till or at least 4 o'clock there was no internet or Wi-Fi. And I called again, like I called 3 times to the customer care, and the third person was like, okay, so there's some power outage. Only she was helpful. Out of the 3 people, only she was helpful. Like, so there's a power outage in that area for the in the Geo place. Like, okay. And they're like, oh, it should get fixed by 4 or 5. And we got the internet by 4, and the signals, like the network, came at night 10 o'clock or something. I can't deal with this, and I just didn't do anything. So like, I couldn't shoot yesterday, so I thought of shooting, but I didn't shoot. I mean, I had the Wi-Fi by 4, but it was too late anyway, and I couldn't like shoot at that time. So I was like, it's okay. And I just edited a bunch of videos that were in bulk shot. They were bulk shot, and I edited those. Like, there were 2 YouTube videos, there were 5 reels that I had to edit. So those I was done. Actually today I have another 2 YouTube videos to edit. Plan for today is that I'm gonna edit the YouTube videos, some reels that I shot again yesterday. If I can shoot, I'll shoot today, or else today is just editing. To upload the shots also on YouTube, I want to do like scheduled shot upload for a month whole, because I have that much content, because I'm just taking whatever I shoot for the reels and put it on the shots. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, that's it for today. So let's see how it goes.